So, hi. So, story time. Ikukwento ko lang yung patient ko. So, recently, I've been handling a lot of adult patients kasi in the musculoskeletal area. So, yung mga patient na may back pain, shoulder pain. So, yung patient ko today, meron siyang uh, pain sa bandang singit hanggang doon sa gitna, sa inner thigh, right? So, sa adductor area. So, masakit siya kada tinutupi niya yung tuhod niya, and then, kada upo siya, lalabas siya ng car, papasok siya ng car, katayo lang siya ng matagal, so masakit siya. So, ngayon, the injury happened a month ago. And, yung injury na to is dahil may pinupulot siya galing sa lapag, and then, he tried to get up from it. So, he was half kneeling. Yung isang paa nakaluhod, yung isa hindi. And then, kada ginagawa niya yon, pagtayo niya, bigla siyang na-pull, tapos sumakit siya. Alright? So, ang ginawa niya after, inantay lang niya, baka mawala naman. Alright? So, hindi nawala. After a few days, pinamasahe niya. Right? So, nagpamassage siya. During the massage, yung nagmamassage sa kanya, ang sabi is, may mga lamig daw or yung mga muscle knots na nandun. So, kailangan daw durugin. So, siya naman, sabi niya, sige, diinan mo pa. Yun yung sinabi niya. So, ang ginawa nung masahista, diniinan nga naman. Alright? And then, after that, ang sinabi niya is, after this massage, take daw siya ng paracetamol twice a day. Then, balik daw sa kanya after a week. Alright? Now, what's bothersome about the story is first, the massage attendee or yung massage therapist niya ay nagbibigay ng medical advice. You're not supposed to take advices in taking medication from non-medical people. Okay? Non-allied, especially hindi nag-aral ng pharma. Okay? So please do take advices only to those who are authorized na magbigay ng advices for medication. Okay? So that's gonna be your medical doctor. Kasi pwedeng high blood ka, pwedeng diabetic ka, and then makasama siya sa'yo. So, please do not drink medications loosely. Right? Pangalawa is that, yung sobrang diin na massage. Okay? Ang sobrang diin na massage, akala kasi ng mga tao is that, okay yon, na mas madiin, mas maganda. Okay? No. Because the harder, it actually depends. If you have injury, if you put a deep massage on that area, what happens is that magsaspasm lalo yung muscle mo kasi nakakaramdam siya ng sakit. So, if the injury is acute or napakabago pa lang, ilang days, ilang linggo pa lang, pinapatingin na po yan. Alright? So, ipatingin nyo po sa inyong medical doctor, ipatingin ninyo sa inyong physiotherapist or physical therapist, or kung sino man ang allied health practitioner na authorized para tignan kayo. Ano? Just mainly because there are certain treatments that could make it worse. Katulad nung strain na nangyari sa kanya, no? So, na-muscle strain siya, tapos diniinan yung massage, lalong lumala. So, fast forward ngayon, 1 month, hindi niya na matupi yung tuhod niya kasi sumasakit. Alright? Sumasakit yung inguinal area niya kada itutupi niya yung tuhod niya. Right? Hindi siya makaupo, hindi siya makatayo. So, it became worse over time. So, the main takeaway is that, please seek consult to a medical doctor, to a physiotherapist, or physical therapist, whenever you suddenly feel pain on any movement, tumayo ka lang, naglalakad ka lang, tumawa ka lang, sumakit pa yung likod mo, whatever kung sumakit, alright? Ipatingin nyo na any muscle pain, okay? Pagka ang pain ninyo sobrang tagal na, 3 buwan na, kahit 1 buwan na sobrang sakit ang katawan, ipatingin po sa medical doctor, right? Pagka may numbness, pamamanhid, pagka hindi pantay yung isang kamay, parang malamig, yung isa hindi, patingin agad sa medical doctor, right? So, there is no harm on seeking consult, right? You are doing more harm actually to yourself when you are not seeking consult. Kasi, ang ginagawa minsan ay nagdi-DIY. Pero, ang sakit po ay hindi po dapat dini-DIY. Especially pagka nakakahinder na siya sa daily activities nyo. Ano? Kasi may mga certain exercises, may mga certain remedies na hindi pasok kung ano yung lagay or sakit ninyo. So, the best is, please do seek advice to medical doctors, to physical therapists, or kung ano man ang doctor around the area that could help you with your condition. Okay? Kung pupunta sa massage therapist, please do not listen to pharmaceutical advice. Okay? Okay lang naman na magpamasahe, just make sure that it's not doing more harm to you than good. Okay? So, yun lang naman. And I might share some stories pa sa mga patients na na-handle ko recently. And hopefully, it would help you na maisip na baka ikaw na tong patient na to at kailangan ikaw din magpa-check.